Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the vehicle and driver are linked in Samsara, because the system needs that identity to record personal conveyance correctly. Once done, enable ELD and duty status and activate the personal conveyance option in policy settings so the behavior is allowed. Make sure you note the start time and odometer reading. This prevents discrepancies later. Now, tap the duty status on the app, select personal conveyance, and begin the movement. The app will log location and time automatically. You actively switch to personal conveyance in the Samsara driver app so the system classifies the trip correctly. This is how you separate personal miles from on-duty work miles. While driving, monitor the app's map and odometer because Samsara captures GPS traces and duration continuously, which supports compliance. If your company has limits, like 75 miles or specific hours, follow those. Otherwise, Samsara may flag the trip. Make adjustments mid-trip by reselecting duty status, and the app updates the log instantly. You conclude by switching your duty status back to off-duty or on-duty in the app so the personal conveyance session stops and mileage returns to normal logging. Then review the trip details in the Samsara dashboard. You can add notes or adjust entries if the system misclassified anything, which helps audits. If something goes wrong, like missing GPS or incorrect miles, first sync the device and check location permissions. If needed, manually enter odometer or contact Fleet Admin to correct the record.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.